Hi guys, this is Malika. I'm a fashion stylist, and today we're here with Hardik, the founder of Morni Studios, where art meets fashion. And I'm really excited to deep dive into this creative discussion about his brand, how it was found. So yeah, the mic's to you.
Thanks for having me, Malika.
ओए होए होए होए.
ओए होए होए होए.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आप एलए से इंडिया क्यों आए? पहला क्वेश्चन मुझे
उससे पहला क्वेश्चन ये कि मैं इंडिया से एले गया.
वो तो एवरीबॉडी नोज हार्दिक.
Yeah.
इंडिया से एलए कोई क्यों जाता है, पर आप एलए से इंडिया ब्रांड को लेके व्हाई डिड यू, व्हाट वाज द विजन बिहाइंड गेटिंग मोरनी टू इंडिया?
You know, जब 3-4 साल पहले I was doing a regular job in LA, software space, and जब मैं इंडिया आ रहा था and when I was starting Morni, it became clear to me कि अब टाइम आ गया थोड़ा इंडिया में ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करने का. So for the last 3 years, anyway, 4 से 5 महीने on average, I'm in India. So I was liking the half and half, like feet in both worlds, and it works for Morni too because I see myself as a bridge between LA or the West and the East. But to be an effective bridge, I have to spend time in both these worlds.
Absolutely.
तो मेरा दिल तो कर ही रहा था इंडिया में और टाइम स्पेंड करने का, बट अब थोड़ा वीज़ा के चक्कर भी पड़ गया. माई वीज़ा वॉज रिन्यूइंग, तो इट्स अनदर साइन फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्स. तो इस साल मैं इंडिया में ही हूँ. एंड इट्स परफेक्ट टाइमिंग क्योंकि मोरनी इज़ ग्रोइंग एंड वी बिल्डिंग अ लॉट. तो अभी ऐसा होता था कि भाई 3-4 महीने में सब कुछ काम खत्म करके वापस ले जाना है तो सेल्स. बट नाउ आई एम लाइक एट ईज कि भाई ये अच्छे से पूरा साल विल बिल्ड इट, विल ग्रो इट, एंड देन नेक्स्ट ईयर आई विल स्टार्ट ट्रैवलिंग अगेन.
That's great. That
तो
is
बढ़िया
like-
लग रहा है.
हाँ, I mean,
अच्छा लग रहा है.
your store, everything, I really like aesthetically. It's just so you.
या
So what is my Morni?
तो माई मोरनी लोगों को हमने बोला लाइक माई मोरनी, इट्स एक्चुअली मोरनी, बट माई मोरनी एड्स अ पर्सनल टच टू इट. बट वेयर मोरनी इज अ कस्टम क्लोथिंग प्लेटफॉर्म दैट कनेक्ट्स विजनरीज विद डिजाइन हाउसेस to bring visions to life. So essentially, आपके पास कोई आइडिया है, आप हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे आओ. We have 6 design houses. So this is one design house.
Yeah.
We have Hina Grima out of Jaipur, that they do plant-based dyes and more feminine silhouettes. We have Asai out of Goa that does hand-painted pieces.
Okay.
We have Chal Shoes, Jaipur, October Shawls. अब एक बैग वाले भी आ रहे, Burlap People, and we have color-coded crime out of Pakistan.
Oh.
So it's actually a collection of South Asian design houses. And based on your visions, अब तुम्हें hand painted piece चाहिए तो we'll send it to Asai. You want high couture suits, we'll send it to Color Coded Crime. You want full natural fabrics and crazy embroidery, we'll bring it to Morni Studios.
Okay.
And over time, we'll keep adding more design houses and create kind of a collective of design houses. But all of them have the requirements are natural fabrics and agile models कि वो customize कर सकें. They have their own brands, but they customize as well.
Okay.
So that's the idea of Morni, is to create a made-to-order model with natural materials.
Why don't you introduce like a stylist thing also on your website? No?
हाँ है, बिल्कुल है. Like that's the
बिल्कुल
next.
करो यार.
Absolutely, stylist, designing, वही service है ना पूरा किसको.
करो ना.
बिल्कुल
मेरे
करते
पास
हैं.
actually, so coming back to weddings, I have a lot of clients who want something very specific for the after party, especially the men.
Correct.
See, women तो the brides are always like उनको तो every event का कुछ अलग-अलग चाहिए होता है, but the groom is only and only interested in what he's going to wear in the after party. And how do you think you can cater to someone like that? Like you did that for Ritin. And do you see this as like another niche, like an after party outfit? What is your vision for that?
Yeah, we've done plenty groom pieces, including the wedding outfit. है ना, तो not just after party. I've done welcome parties. कि एक वेलकम पार्टी भी होती है, ठीक है, बोट पार्टीज फॉर अ ग्रूम, एक्चुअल वेडिंग पीसेस. वी क्यूरेटेड अ वेडिंग ऑफ 1 groom and 9 groomsmen, so we created 10 suits that fit the environment. It was at Yosemite National Park. So हमने देखा कि वहाँ के क्या elements हैं, groom को क्या चाहिए, bride को क्या चाहिए groom पे, है ना, and then we created a full color coded aesthetic for groom and groomsmen. So weddings are a huge kind of market for us because people want something personal and memorable. तो हाँ, after parties भी अब रितिन का आया, एक दो और आए थे.
ये भी कुछ, ये I want to discuss. What is this?
This is an experimental piece by Shaurya. हाँ, तो अब the idea behind this piece is कि you know your memories change with time, and essentially because we're custom and personal clothing, this comes with 2 patches. So you send us, hey, what silhouette you want, and then 2 Polaroids or 2 photos, and we translate these photos into embroidered pieces. So this one is in Joshua Tree, this was in Jaisalmer, 2 photos we took, and these are removable patches. So over time, as you create more photos, you don't really have to buy a new piece of clothing. As your life evolves
That's
and your memories
genius.
evolve, and you can switch back and forth, right? You can mix and match, and this piece evolves with your memories.
That is genius.
तो थोड़ा
guys.
sustainable type हो गया कि same कपड़ा, पर the design and the aesthetic is
It'll
evolving.
keep on changing as you
Yes.
grow.
And it's more personal.
It is, it is.
You can pass it to your kids with the memories,
Yeah.
and then they add their memories
Yeah.
to it too. So, what just one experiment here out of the many that we've done.
Also, I want to ask you why. How did you? Because you were doing something completely different when I met you in the US. You were living the dream life, this and that, here and there. How did you? You know, why did you want to do this? Why Maimoni? And what is the vision behind it?
On the surface, it can seem like a pivot कि मैं कुछ और कर रहा था, कुछ और हो गया. But if you go deeper, which I'm about to explain, it's a total natural evolution of my journey. तो वैसे मैं background से engineer हूँ, industrial engineer, supply chain. And then for the last 7 years, I was working in the software space, supply chain software for cannabis and hemp. तो basically software में क्या होता है कि कोई अपना प्लांट उगा रहा है, फिर मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहा है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है, एंड व्हेन दे आर सेलिंग वी कैन ट्रैक एवरीथिंग कि उसमें क्या क्या जा रहा है,
Correct.
कब उग रहा है, क्या उसके ऑयल बन रहा है, तो कैसे प्रोसेस हो रहा है, एंड देन व्हेन यू बाइंग इट एट द स्टोर वी कैन ट्रेस इट बैक टू द सोर्स. कपड़े भी, एटलीस्ट नेचुरल क्लोथिंग,
Natural.
इट्स नॉट ऑब्वियस बट दे ऑल्सो ग्रो.
Of course.
है ना कि इट्स द जर्नी ऑफ इट इज अ वेरी मच अ सप्लाई चेन.
Supply chain.
है ना, इट्स ग्रोन, इट्स प्रोसेस, इट्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, रिटेल.
Yeah.
So there is essentially what I'm building is an evolution of what I learned in the cannabis space. And how I got into it is I joined this company in the US after my cannabis gig, and they were tracking carbon emissions
Okay.
across supply chains.
Okay.
ठीक है, one of the industries was fashion. तो फिर I started talking to heads of sustainability of Hermes, Tory Burch, H&M also kind of talked to some people, and I realized कि fast fashion हो या luxury fashion हो, everyone has the same problem, is inventory.
Inventory.
कि वो fast fashion के उससे inventory बना लेते हैं, they're like making so much, and then every season
It has
they're
the
making
trends
हाँ,
change and how.
and then 20% of the inventory is making them 80% of the money. 20-80 business rule. But 80% of the inventory वो waste जा रही है.
Face जा रही है.
और वो brands को करना नहीं है. वो कह रहे हैं भाई हमें like we need better solutions. We don't want to dispose inventory. We're paying so much money to store this. So they're a victim of their own model.
Yeah.
Which is the industry is optimized for speed
Yeah.
and trends.
And maybe that is why you're an order only, strictly order only business. And that's something which is the need of the hour, looking at how fast fashion is affecting the environment. And that's not nice.
Yeah.
Do you know that where does all the excess inventory go? Zara ka and H&M ka.
By
Do you know
India, Africa, the dumps of the world are.
that? I've heard, exactly. It goes into land pits.
हाँ. Here's a crazy fact. 1 in 3 pieces made. तो बन रहा है, रिटेल पे जा रहा है, वेयर हाउस पे जा रहा है, कोई बिक नहीं रहा. फिर वो सस्ते वेयर हाउस पे जा रहा है, वहाँ पे भी नहीं बिक रहा. And then it ends up in landfill. So 1 in 3 pieces. So that's like any fashion company that's spending millions in tracking carbon emissions or whatever, waste of money.
Absolutely.
मुझे पता है ये 1 in 3 जा रहे हैं. So that's why I was like, okay,
Yeah.
I want to create something that is made to order. है ना?
Absolutely.
So there is that business supply chain angle to it. फिर मेरी मम्मा का बुटीक है. So I was always around making clothes,
Yeah.
and I started making clothes with her.
Yeah.
And I love mushrooms, and I wanted bougie mushroom clothes, and those didn't exist. क्योंकि mushroom के तो मुझे और सारे trippy festival designs हैं,
Yeah.
right? And I wanted to wear mushroom clothes for fancy dinners,
Yeah, of course.
for casual like this one, and it didn't exist. So I started making mushroom clothes.
Okay.
और फिर हुआ क्या कि मैं कहीं भी जाता था, all the mushroom lovers would come to me. and be like, nice mushroom shirt. And then I could talk about my love for mushrooms, how much I know about them, oh, how this is a custom piece, kya fabric hai. So just by wearing a shirt, I attracted people that are attracted to mushrooms, and I love mushrooms. So I attracted fellow kind of like-minded people, and I automatically became cool and center of conversation because by custom piece hai, dekho mushroom.
Right.
So then I was like, okay, how about a world where everybody, instead of paying somebody, let's say you pay Gucci,
Yeah.
you wear a Gucci shirt, you're a walking billboard for Gucci.
Of course.
So you're paying them to become their ads.
Yeah.
Instead of that, how about you wear symbols and elements that you connect with and you find pride in, and then you attract everybody who connects with that symbol. So there's a certain sense of, when I wear mushrooms, I feel proud and I'm like, I'm representing something I love. So how about a world where everybody
Is-
has that?
Has their own thing to wear.
And then they
Like
maximize
tattoo.
their expression
Yeah.
and minimize waste. That's kind of the mission.
That's nice.
तो यहाँ थोड़ा मतलब इसमें business angle आ गया, spiritual angle आ गया, family business आ गया. तो it was like all things were pointing in the same direction. और फिर शौर्य आ गया. He comes from his family comes from textile distribution. Also is an engineer who is in fashion. I was like, okay, I have so much. I have resources in India, and I just need to add a vibe technology angle to it, and we can create this. So बन गया मोरनी.
That's great.
Long
That's
story,
great. I
but-
mean, it's not. It's you. Ultimately, the brand is like it's of course as a team, but I think it's the culmination is what you wanted, and it's so good. I met you years ago, and I'm so proud of what you're doing today. I mean,
you.
wearing mushroom clothes, something very basic.
Yeah.
How do you wear it? How can you achieve it? And how do you want the entire world to see you? So that's great.
Thank you.
So let's discuss your fabrics. And why hemp? Why natural fabrics? Why? What is the...
क्योंकि मैं अच्छी चीज़ें पसंद हैं. You know, with fabrics, I think it becomes very clear if we compare it to food. 10-20 साल पहले क्या हुआ? पहले सारे मास प्रोसेस्ड खाते थे, शुगर, फैट, किसी को कोई अक्ल नहीं है ना? कि कुछ भी खाओ, like just the awareness wasn't there.
Correct.
In the last decade or two, people are becoming more and more aware of
Organic.
the nutritional value, how it affects the body, what we consume, how it affects us. And when you start eating cleaner, it's not a placebo effect. It's truly you start feeling
course.
better. You start
Yes.
looking good, feeling good, you know, radiating goodness. And then
Energy.
there's a huge shift that has happened from mass processed food to organic.
Organic food.
कि भाई farmers market से लो, direct उससे लो. Clothing is similar.
Good thing is
I think it's the next step कि हम skin पे balm लगाते हैं, so we know what touches the skin
Correct.
makes changes our skin.
Yes.
So right now most people are covered in plastic, mass processed polyester based clothing.
Absolutely.
When you switch, it's like switching from mass processed to organic. You feel the difference. जब मैं ये handloom वाली shirt पहनता हूँ, and now if I wear like a shitty polyester shirt, I feel it in my chest.
I can vouch this myself. Like since I'm wearing this, I'm feeling very relaxed, very easy breezy. I kind of, it's very soft. It's something. It's as if I'm not wearing like anything. It's good to go. Like, and I can spend my entire day in this,
Easy breezy.
and I can actually style it with a lot of things, like this waistcoat.
Yeah.
This is something that is in my aesthetic, and thank you so much.
Yeah,
You have
looking like a
done that.
vibe. And that's the whole thing,
That's
right?
the
That's
whole
why with
thing.
this studio, okay, आओ, play, express, try on pieces, find new sides of you, and happens a lot, especially with men too, because
Yeah.
men have such limited choices and beliefs,
Yeah.
and I have had plenty of men
Yeah.
कि मैं ये कलर नहीं पहनता, मैं ये सिलवट नहीं पहनता, आओ एक बार देखो तो सही.
देखो, बनाओ.
और मैं रियल टाइम उनकी शक्लें देखता हूँ शीशे में,
कितने
like
खुश
they're
होते हैं.
like expanding their own images.
Yeah.
And then they dip their toes a little bit, और फिर हम उनको खींच लेते हैं,
Right.
and then they get addicted,
Right.
and then they don't stop, you know.
It's great.
तो fabrics का ये था कि we're all the team, everybody around is health conscious. और फिर जब मैं पहली बार जब 2022 में when I started exploring, I realized कि India is crazy in textiles and fabrics, right? कि China is the biggest exporter of clothing in the last 2 decades, but because of all polyester-based
Polyester
clothing.
based.
For natural clothing, India is one of the biggest markets and exporters. तो एवरी स्टेट यू गो, हम कच्छ गए, वहाँ गुजरात में, पंजाब में, साउथ इंडिया, every state has like they have their own crops and food, they have their own textiles.
Culture, you're trying to imbibe the culture of India into your brand, and that's what you want to represent to the entire world. So that is something nice, good.
Fabrics bahut hai. India is such a big playground, and because India is such a big market, there's corporations that exist like export houses, and the industry is so big, it also gives space for startups to emerge. So जैसे Lotus fabric पहना है ना?
Exactly. Let's just decode this outfit for.
हाँ, तो देखो ये लोटस का बना, अपना कमल के फूल का तो नहीं बोलूँगा, कमल के पूरे प्लांट का.
So
the
like leaves and the stem
leaves,
and everything.
yeah.
So you're basically what you can eat, you can wear.
Exactly, and
That's
it's
the logic.
converting agricultural waste into clothing. And this ये जो बनता है closed loop viscose processing बोलते
Why
हैं
don't you
इसको.
add this tagline to your what you can eat, you can wear.
हाँ, मतलब हम ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, you're basically making a fruit salad bowl.
Yeah.
When you can pick like orange fabric, lotus fabric, and then you can dye it with onion dye,
Yeah.
eucalyptus leaves. तो मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि तुम अपना salad बना रहे हो. है
So
ना?
when I came with Ritin, exactly, I was blown by this concept. The manager, she told me we're gonna use hemp or orange fiber. I'm like, orange fiber? Then she bought the orange fiber. I'm like, this is really good.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a little stiff, but that's fine. That's
हाँ, वो थोड़े
okay.
मोटे कपड़े के लिए stiff तो नहीं है, ऐसे soft और flowy है, but हाँ, lotus is much
This
more
is like
thin and
It's
flowy.
like a very, like I know satin.
Yeah.
It feels like satin, but it is not satin.
But
So
it's pure natural.
Yeah.
Satin तो वो होती है ना finish. Satin is a finish. वो silk में भी आती है, lotus में भी आती है. It's like how the fabric is woven. तो हाँ, ये satin kind of vibe ही है. तो हाँ, basically इंडिया में इतने सारे options थे, and then every year we don't have too many suppliers. We're selective about who we source from. We have about six different suppliers, but every year we see new and new emerging in this space, which means that there is more and more demand
Correct.
for these fabrics. And you know, in my experience, once people wear this, like हमारे जो कपड़े सुंदर दिखते हैं, but only when people wear it they get addicted.
Exactly.
Right? And then they're like, wow, like I can go out and look good, but then I can be so comfortable in this too. Like you can wear this one for lunch, like a casual lunch, and then you go out, you don't need to change.
Yeah,
It's the same.
Absolutely, it's very
same.
exactly. So how, like we were discussing maximalism, we'll discuss it again. Now with the change of trends, how do you think you're going to, because the trends keep on changing. How do you think you'll survive the trends? Because Morni is something which is co-creation based. How do you think, what is your vision for that?
हम ना ट्रेंड से थोड़े अलग चलते हैं in a way, like not trying to, because none of us come from fashion, so I don't really watch fashion shows. I don't really know the trends per se. Obviously we do our research, and now इतने Instagram pages follow करते हैं हम fashion के, so naturally we come across trends, but we're a low risk endeavor in a way wherein we're not planning a season and collections and spending months and months like identifying trends, and we have to make 500 pieces of the same collection and hope it will sell, and then the season is over and then we're left with inventory. हम उस problem में है ही नहीं ना. I know
नहीं चाहते वो
करना चाहते नहीं, and then I know way too many fashion brands who will like new fashion brands, they will launch a collection, it'll go well, right? फिर अगली collection launch की, it'll also go well, and then like, okay, we have a brand going, बढ़िया चल रहा है, third collection they will double down, they're like double inventory में आते हैं, trends change, they go to not just square zero, they get in debt because they invested in inventory and the third collection didn't do well. And that's why as an investor too, I would never invest in a fashion brand. It's a high risk endeavor. It's fleeting, comes and goes. हमारा हर piece is pre-sold.
Right.
We don't have that problem of investing heavily in trends, right? And we're also in no short of inspiration because we're an inspiration hub.
Correct.
कि आओ हमारे पास भाई, बताओ तुम्हें क्या पसंद है.
You're selling your product as a service.
Correct.
As a design service, as a styling service. Your pieces are going to exist in your wardrobe forever. That's
Correct.
what you're saying.
Timeless.
It's
Timeless, good fabrics.
This is your own interpretation of classic, because classic नहीं है. This is not classic, but your own interpretation of classic.
और मैंने देखा है कि when you start putting multiple dimensions in a piece, जैसे तुम अभी स्मूदी बना रहे हो, सारे ingredients अच्छे हैं, स्मूदी गंदी कैसे बनेगी? नहीं बनेगी ना?
नहीं बन सकती.
Similarly, like you're wearing lotus with plant-based dyes, crazy silhouette, ajrak print. I'm wearing this like handloom with mirrors,
Yeah.
mother of pearl button mushroom.
Yeah.
कहाँ गंदा बनेगा?
अच्छा
Like
है,
it's
अच्छा
like
है,
trend की क्या पड़ी हमें जब
Exactly.
चीज़ ही अच्छी बन रही
When
है.
you're resonating with what you're wearing, you will resonate with it forever because
Correct.
that's so basically Morni is your outfit is you.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Self-expression.
Self-expression.
And that's why also like we go through the exercise here, and being at the studio obviously is the best way to do it. But digitally too, we're translating that into a digital experiences. Like,
Yeah.
hey, what's your body type? What are some of the silhouettes over your experience that work well on you, right? And share those, and we'll play in your playground,
Correct.
right? And the moment, it's also like, what does clothing ultimately what clothing does, and if you're wearing something good, you feel good about yourself, right? It's the aura you're radiating.
Yeah.
And when you plant seeds in something you're creating, you automatically feel more
Right.
confident. जैसे
Right.
अपना खाना बनाओ, दुनिया को चाहे गंदा लगे,
अपने को अच्छा लगेगा.
अपने को अच्छा लगेगा.
हमेशा अच्छा
है ना?
लगेगा.
ऐसे ही कपड़ों में भी है.
Correct.
तो it's the confidence you emit wearing it. So
Yeah.
फिर ट्रेंड्स का मतलब क्या बातें करें हम?
मुझे समझ में आता है, मैं स्टाइलिस्ट हूँ, ठीक है. बहुत लोग हैं जो फैशन एंथुसियास्ट हैं, उनको समझ में आएगा.
Yeah.
आप कॉमन मैन के साथ कैसे डील करोगे? लोगों को नहीं समझ, इंडिया में लोगों को नहीं समझ में आता. मैं वेडिंग स्टाइलिस्ट हूँ, लोगों को सच में एक्सप्लेन करना कि एक अनामिका खन्ना के आउटफिट और एक चांदनी चौक के आउटफिट में क्या डिफरेंस है, लोगों को नहीं सब प्राइस पॉइंट देखते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
सो इसको कैसे टैकल करोगे आप? बिकॉज दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर सर्वाइवल.
Yeah.
It's money.
India is a price sensitive market.
Yeah.
For sure. And when I first started 2 years ago, जब मैं इंडिया में लोगों को बेचा था, same, they were budging on price. We have a little luxury of being an LA brand as well. A global audience, famous people wear
Wearing it.
our stuff. And now, only after a couple years and people seeing our journey, even in India I've come, ठीक है हम प्राइस पे थोड़ा नीचे for the desi market we are readjusting that, but our pricing has been established, right? We have had enough sales in a certain price category, and we're also not cutting corners. Our goal is not to create high volume, low cost things. Our goal is to maximize the quality
and
the art of it, so people experience it, right? And people see the service angle to
Yeah.
it too. So when you spend $500 with us,
Yeah.
you're not getting an off-the-shelf piece. You're getting a
Correct.
service.
Yeah.
You're getting choices. You're getting your expression. You're getting good materials with it. So yes, it's tough, and we will see now through the year how our high pricing compared to the fast fashion or streetwear brands like kind of survives. But there's also a lot of Indian brands that are playing in that bracket. है ना?
Jodi Life. Do you know what Jodi Life?
Jodi Life है, Karthik Research है,
Yeah.
there's 1111 Studios.
Correct.
There are amazing brands that play in that. But again,
Yes.
we're different कि हम पूरा custom
कस्टम
angle
कर
पे
रहे
ही.
हो. आपका थोड़ा डिफरेंट इसलिए क्योंकि आप बिल्कुल ही it is from you make your outfit from scratch.
Correct.
With Jodi Life also there is like a
सबका custom angle है.
हाँ कहीं ना कहीं बट उनका है कि ये हमारी कलेक्शन है, ये आउटफिट है, इसको सिलेक्ट करो, इसको ऑर्डर करो, मिल जाएगा. Urban suburban is also, but yours is a little different, and that is something I like. This is as my first episode. I feel this is groundbreaking because it's nothing. This is not similar to anything in India right now.
Yeah.
आप सबके पास लुकबुक होती है, हमारे पास लुकबुक नहीं है ना. Do we have a lookbook?
मतलब है, and that's why we have the store. So if you go on the website, there's three very clear journeys you can take. You can co-create a piece from scratch. You can go to our store, and all those pieces are there for sale, still made to order. But they're also as inspiration. कि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि भाई ये तूने शर्ट बनाई है, इस पे मेरे को मशरूम की जगह I want koi fish, right? We just did one. So
Yeah.
we do have a lookbook of that sorts too, but it's still a different approach.
Okay.
कि still the focus is on
Yeah.
co-creation. Our
Co-creation.
number one user is someone who shares their vision with us versus someone who buys an
Buys it.
existing design. So that's the difference, and how we solve it is technology. वहाँ पे मेरा पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर एंड बैक एंड प्रोडक्शन एंगल आ जाता है, बिकॉज customization by definition is how do you scale custom clothing creation, right? And a traditional fashion designer does not understand or calls me crazy for doing that too. But the answer to that is technology. Is we have every piece that we create. उसमें कौन सा फैब्रिक लग रहा है, कौन सा डाई कलर कोड यूज हो रहा है, क्या सिलुएट है, उस सिलुएट के क्या डायमेंशंस हैं, कौन उसको पीस बना रहा है, everything start to finish is tracked.
Correct.
So as we build our database, we can see what the common elements are and what the variables are. तो फिर customization is scalable in that sense. Everything is tracked, right? So that's another differentiator we have.
Now, another very relevant question here. How much time do you need to do this? Like, what is the timeline a customer will, like, how, कितना time उसको आपको outfit बनाने में लगेगा? Because customization can be anything.
Yeah.
Like what Ritin did.
देखो 3 दिन में बनाया रितिन का.
हाँ. So for my brother's after party, it was hemp, right?
It was hemp linen, yeah.
Hemp linen. They did like a safari suit, and on the back was pahadi cheetah with all the mountains and everything. And then Priya's special request of writing the date of their wedding in the collar. So that's short and all. Everything I will give you shots of that.
Yeah.
Please share it on your page.
Absolutely.
Has to.
Yeah.
But जैसे रितिन का 3 दिन में आपने बनाया. In general, because Ritin is your friend.
Yeah, वो तो हमने expedite किया. The standard time we give from vision sharing, which is essentially you fill the form on the website, right? From that to delivery is 30 to 40 days.
30 to 40 days.
और वही कि अब custom कपड़े किसी को बनवाने हैं, आप किसी डिजाइन में जाओगे, WhatsApp करोगे, मैसेज करोगे, it's all over the place. Where like, hey, to submit your vision, there's a standard process, and that's the seed of it is standardized, and the whole process is standardized. फिर तुम्हें automated email आएगा कि हमारा design phase है 7 days, production phase is 20 days. In the design phase, we'll create a collaborative board. We have 2 design calls. You approve the design, goes to production. You get production updates, and you get delivery. And that's where my software implementation engineering approach comes into action. Is भाई WhatsApp पे बातें नहीं चल रही ज़्यादा.
That's
Like
so, I mean,
you submit your
very
vision.
professional.
You get an automated email, we go through the process, we minimize the variables, and we give you the piece. So that's when the other big risk is measurements. है ना कि first piece is always the riskiest.
Of course.
क्योंकि भाई तुमने measurement दिया, पता नहीं कहाँ से करवाया है. We have partner tailors in LA and New York who know our process, but तुम कहीं और से आए हो, तो देंगे. तो we leave margins in the first piece, but after the first piece, either it fits perfect or there is some margin. We know what the change is. Second piece onwards, everything is made to measure for you, which is another addicting kind of factor. Is why
Once you start wearing
body
it's
fabric.
couture, it's couture, right?
Yeah.
It is couture. You know, it's a very different kind of a take on couture, but it is couture.
It's a digital darji, right? That's kind of like the desi word.
Yeah.
क्योंकि इंडिया में तो चलता ही है. कितने लोग कस्टम कपड़े अपने बनवाते हैं, शर्ट पैंट, आंटियां तो बनवाती हैं. हमने उसको बस डिजिटाइज करके अच्छे फैब्रिक डाल के couture vibes बना दी.
Boomers तो पहनते ही पैंट शर्ट भी टेलर्ड होती है उनकी.
Correct.
Everything like our moms
हाँ.
for the longest time बुटीक से कपड़े बनवाते थे. वो तो अब because of us guys कि चलो पर्नियास चलो, यहाँ चलो, वहाँ चलो, वहाँ से डिजाइन लेके
नहीं अब इधर ही लाओ सबको. मॉडर्न बुटीक में.
Modern boutique में.
Yeah, yeah.
How, because of the wildfires, I wanted to discuss this. Is your business affected in LA? What is the situation? Because I heard there's a lot of it was devastating.
Yeah.
It was devastating.
जल गया भाई पूरा LA, like 50-60,000 acres down to the ground. और गरीब neighborhood नहीं जले, अमीर neighborhood जले हैं, like for the first time.
So you have a store there, right?
I'm still keeping my studio there. मेरे घर में ही है. There's a section. Qasim, who's also involved in Morni, he's taking care of the studio. Yeah, it's like we're kind of creating a similar vibe here. कि थोड़ा natural vintage vibes वहाँ पे वैसे ही है. So people come, they try on pieces, customize. We have a full customized journey build. So I will keep the LA studio going because that's still very much a big part of Morni. And you know, being a global brand helps everywhere.
Yeah, of course.
So I'm not worried about LA. मैं अब यहाँ आ गया हूँ, तो मेरे को इस साल अभी थोड़ा निकालना पड़ेगा.
तो यहाँ पे expansion के कोई है स्कोप? दिल्ली, because सब कहते हैं दिल्ली चलो.
हाँ,
लग रहा है
अभी
कुछ?
we're doing an event in GK.
Yeah.
है ना, तो वो exhibition style नहीं है. We're bringing full Morni vibes to GK. It's a daytime event. और there's 3 वहाँ पे एक मोरनी मार्गरीटा है, पिस्तोला इज अ स्पॉन्सर,
Oh, that's great.
एंड देयर इज अ अडैप्टोजेनिक मशरूम ड्रिंक व्हिच इज अ स्पॉन्सर, तो हमने उनको मिला के एक मोरनी मार्गरीटा बनाई है. Shroomery is another sponsor which is India's biggest mushroom farmer supplier, so we'll have live mushrooms placed around the venue.
Okay.
Anaz and Tanner और Sublime Sound who's an Anjana Deep artist, वो DJ कर रहे हैं और हम ये पूरा आर्ट पीस बना रहे हैं यहाँ पे. तो फुल ऐसे मोरनी वाइब्स आएंगी. There'll be pieces, live embroiderers बैठे होंगे. You can go and customize a piece,
Okay.
get measured.
Oh.
तो bringing that experience to
This is the first of a kind for you guys, or you've done something like this before as well?
फर्स्ट ऑफ काइंड फॉर दिल्ली. LA में हमने किया है ना. अभी दिल्ली में भी जो GK में स्ट्रेंजर एंड ग्रीनर, दे वेरी मच global vibes with an Indian touch, and we've had a long relationship with them. तो वहाँ पे कर रहे हैं. आना जरूर.
I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah,
I will come.
it'll be different.
So, Hatik, what is your clientele right now, and how do you plan to expand? Because देखो सब कुछ पैसा है ना ultimately. Fashion
वाह,
मेरा
वाह, वाह.
passion है, co-creation मेरा passion है, and all of that. But पैसा is money.
Yeah.
What is your vision for that? How are you planning to, Gen Z? How are you going to tap? Because Gen Z, पैसा Gen Z पे ही है इस टाइम पे, तो कैसे?
देखो पैसा तो सबके पास बहुत है. ऐसा नहीं है. All age ranges have money.
Boomers, तो I know you told me boomers you are already working with. Millennials also you are working with.
Yeah.
How are you going to carry this forward? Because tech, अब देखो ये सब चीज़ें बहुत if I think about your brand, the first thing that comes in my mind is organic, close to nature.
Correct.
How are you going to compete with tech, which is AI and all of that in the future? What is your vision for that?
So I don't see that as a competition. Like this is all AI generated, right? So this is a great example. Natural handloom fabric, AI generated artwork, and hand embroidered. So the human element to it. So that's how we're able to. Also, the Pahadi cheetah we did was AI generated,
nice.
and that's how we're able to expedite visions to reality in a fast ways. Most of our pieces are AI generated artworks.
Okay.
So that speaks to the technology angle.
Of course.
And that's why we're multi-dimensional, right? Ki it's nature infused with handcraft, infused with AI. So it speaks to a broader audience, and it actually expands the minds of all audiences. The nature loving people are actually anti-tech usually. They're like, oh yeah, but this is a fusion of both. So they become more open to tech side of it. The AI people are not as close to nature, but if we're putting AI artwork on natural fabrics, we're expanding their minds.
Because it's like a crossover.
Correct.
It is
So
a crossover, and it is. I really hope, and I think this will be a very successful crossover. I mean,
yeah, thank you. So it's a challenge
Yeah.
to expand people's minds, right?
It is.
To not just जैसे you were saying कि तुम्हें एक डेमोग्राफिक को पहले उससे थोड़ा मोल्ड हो. नहीं भाई, हम लोगों का दिमाग खोलने आए हैं, right? Like we're gonna expand
Shock
their
value,
minds
groundbreaking.
and they get on the creation flow. Right? We're not changing our ethos to fit a certain mold.
My next question is that how does a prospective customer place an order at the My Morni website? Like if I'm sitting, supposedly I am sitting somewhere in Assam and the production is happening here or in LA or in Goa, as you said. So how will I go on the website and create an outfit, because co-creation is the core?
Absolutely.
Can you just explain the process for me?
Yeah, so let's break down a piece
Yeah.
into different dimensions and attributes. And there's a physical, like you come to the studio, we go through the same process, and you go to the website and we've digitized that process, right? So the first step is what's the cut you want? Is it a double collar shirt, mandarin shirt, short sleeve, long sleeve, kind of the basic canvas of what we're creating. The second is what fabric. So, and each part of the way in the website too and here, there's an option you can select, or there's a let us decide button, which the designer and us can have the liberty to decide. So our entire fabric database is there, right? Summer vibes, winter vibes. Then the third piece is color, right? Ki kaun sa color chahiye. Some people know the color, some people also let us decide. And then the fourth is artwork. What symbol or element you want. So these are the four kind of core elements that make up a piece. And then ki what's the setting? कि तुम्हें किसके लिए चाहिए, वेडिंग के लिए चाहिए, बीच पे जाना है, पहाड़ों में जाना है, राइट? एंड what's the vibe you want. That's another thing we capture, is if it's like a bougie vibe, an earthy vibe, and then based on all these factors, these are the attributes we capture. And then we design pieces, we also put it into an AI visualization tool. So we've prompt engineered in a way. So essentially what we've done is, if you come to a physical tailor and you share all these, we kind of digitize that journey.
Okay.
So it's both physical and digital are the same process.
It's like a safe space.
Correct. Yeah.
It's like a safe space for creation. Also, I feel that's wise of you to put the letters aside, because 70% people don't know what they're
95%
They
people,
don't
yeah,
know
yeah.
what to wear, what design to like. So that's
Yeah.
great.
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
you have given this option कि आपको अगर पता है आपको क्या पहनना है तो भी बता दो, अगर
Correct.
आपको नहीं पता है तो हम आपको बता देंगे.
Correct.
So that's smart.
Yeah, like ये है, कुछ भी डिजायर बता दो,
हाँ.
चाहे वो 1% भी हो, बाकी हम just plant the seeds, like the pahadi cheetah seed.
Yeah.
That's all written new, है ना?
Yeah.
Right? And he wanted a tuxedo, and I was like, bro, let's go something more adventurous, right?
Correct.
So we converted the tux to a safari suit
Safari
because
suit.
it fits the vibe
Yeah.
more. But the pahadi cheetah vibe, the essence stayed.
Yeah.
So that's a great
That
example.
outfit, you know, all of the outfits that were made for the wedding, that is the only outfit that has gone back to London, because he's like, ये मैं अल्बीनिया में पहनूंगा, ये मैं इतने कितने gigs attend करता है वो,
Yeah.
वहाँ पे भी पहन के जाऊंगा. So that's the what I understand is that your outfit has it's wholesome.
For sure.
It's like a you know, it's a journey for the client, for you guys, and he will always remember कि यार हार्दिक ने my modeling के through मेरे को
Yeah.
he has given this memory of a lifetime, and that's something which is unique. And I definitely feel that there is a lot of things for you guys in the future. So keep it going as you are, and
Yeah.
all the best for that.
Thank you. Just starting. Thank you for having me.
Both of us hustlers together.
First pilot. Let's fucking go.
Yeah!